Ever dreamed of soaring through the skies and exploring the world from above without leaving your computer? Well, you can. First, fire up Google Earth on your computer. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Next, go to the search bar at the top left and type in Flight Simulator. Press Enter. Now look for the Flight Simulator icon from the tuber. It's shaped like the joystick. Click on it. A window will pop up. Here, you can choose your aircraft. Select the plane that fits your style. Now, pick your starting location. Zoom in on the map and click anywhere you want to begin your flight. Maybe your hometown, or a famous landmark. Ready for takeoff. Use the controls on your keyboard or mouse. Control the plane with your keyboard arrows and increase the speed with your up arrow. Enjoy the breathtaking view from above. Experiment with different camera angles to get the perfect view. Try soaring over mountains, buzzing by skyscrapers, or gliding along coastlines. The world is your runway.